Our relationship didn't start off well. There were so many challenges right from the beginning, and for me, I'm not used to that kind of start in a relationship. But still, I choose and stay with her.
Na mag-recording, magkano panalo pag ang pusta mo ay all-in. Solo ko ang jackpot, tapos na ang boxing. May nanalo na, di na kailangan magsumamo. Papunta pa lang, pero parang nandun
My
na ako.
beautiful
Pareho
bride,
pasaporte
this
at
gift is just a simple reminder of how precious you are to me. Nothing I give could ever match the gift of your love. Today and always, my heart belongs to you, forever yours. Marky.
Bukas di na patataya. Iuwi na kita, may nanalo na. Pa rin ang puso ka. Bukas makalawan, di na magandang masabihin mo ay may nanalo na.
I promise to seek Christ first so that I may love you better.
After all the stress, sleepless nights, small fight, vertigo, finally we made it.
Hi baby! Because you are the most selfless person I know, lagi mo kaming inuuna, kahit magtiis ka okay lang. Kaya this one is for you. P.S. Unahing buksan ang maliit na gift. Love, Daisy.
Lamang wala ng ibang nanaisin pa. Kung ikaw ang sagot sa panalangin, kahit sino ay magiging madasalin. Pangako walang ibang hahanapin, ikay papakasalan kung iyong mamarapatin. Plano ko matinding pag-propose kay bossing. Paputok sa dilim para sure na omsim.
First of all, I thank you, Lord, for this day. And to the man I prayed for, I would like to express how thankful I am today. Thank you for moving one step closer to me when we met. Thank you for choosing me.
Bukas di na patataya. Iuwi na kita, may nanalo na. Pa rin ang puso ka. Bukas makalawan, di na magandang masabihin mo ay may nanalo na.
Papunta na tayo sa pinaka-exciting na parte. Official na kami, uwian na kasi
May nanalo na.
When trials come, I will hold your hand and trust that God walks with us.
And I know this is God's perfect timing. Iniisip ko, siguro nang ginawa ka ni Lord, He's thinking of me because He knows that I need you. And now that we're getting married, I vow to give you the same love I'm getting from you. I vow to respect you, listen to you, and submit to you.
With God as our foundation, I give you my heart today and for all the days He grants us.
After this day, when we go home, we won't feel any more guilt because we already fulfilled our promise to God. I love you, my love, and all praises to God.
Bukas di na patataya. Iuwi na kita, may nanalo na. Pa rin ang puso ka.
Rest assured that I will always pray for you. I am proud of you, and I will always support you for all the seasons of our lives.
From this day forward, I am yours, and I thank the Lord for the gift of loving you. Daisy Jamie Maralaw.
Pa rin ang puso ka. Bukas makalawan, di na magandang masabihin mo ay may nanalo na.
papunta na tayo sa pinaka-exciting na parte. Official na kami, uwian na kasi
May nanalo na.